So what happens when a buyer or buyer's agent inquires on a Hauseit listing? Well, let's do an example. Let's say that you're an interested party taking a look at one of our exclusive sale listings, this one on the Upper West Side. First of all, you'll notice that we're not logged in, so StreetEasy, a third-party website, assumes that we are a direct buyer, in which case they'll promote ads on agents who have paid to advertise on StreetEasy's Premier Agent program. It does show who the seller's agent is. However, if you want to contact the seller's agent as a direct buyer, you would have to contact the seller's agent here by going to their profile. You can show the seller's agent's phone number, and additionally, you'll see some additional instructions we've provided here. For agents, we have a call center that deals specifically with licensed real estate agents, appraisers, inspectors, and so on. And we have a second call center that deals with anything else, including direct buyers. Both of these call centers operate 24/7. Additionally, the call center we work with that specializes in licensed individuals will actually go ahead and contact the seller directly to coordinate a showing and to confirm it. So let's do a real example and call the main Hauseit line, which is this number.
Thank you for calling Hauseit. If you are an agent inquiring on a listing, please press 1. If you are a buyer inquiring on a listing, please press 2. For sales, please press 3. For customer support, please press 4.
So in this example, we'll press 1 as an agent inquiring on a listing.
Hello, thank you for calling Showing Time. This call may be recorded or monitored for quality assurance. Showing Time Appointment Center, this is Marvita. This is Nicholas with Hauseit LLC.
Hi, this is actually Chris. I was hoping to make an appointment on 221 West 77th Street, number 17. Could you accommodate that?
Okay, let me get you pulled up. You said your name is Chris. What's your last name?
Jose.
Okay, and what office are you in? And what was that address again, please?
Sure, it's 221 West 77th Street, apartment 17.
Okay, so 221 West 77th Street, number 17 in New York. For what time, please?
Could we do tomorrow at 3:30 p.m.?
Okay, so tomorrow the 13th from 3:30 to 4:30.
Yeah, that would be perfect.
Okay, so it is an appointment required. You must confirm.
Okay.
And we'll send you an email and a text with confirmation.
Oh, that's so wonderful. Thank you so much. And by the way, may I ask, this service is so fantastic that you guys are open 24/7. Yeah. Yeah. May I ask, just out of curiosity, like where are your offices all based? Like where you receive calls?
So we have a corporate office that's in Kansas City. I'm actually remote CSR, so I'm actually home.
Oh.
I'm in North Carolina, so we have, yes.
Wow.
We have them all over. Yes,
That's
sir.
amazing. Well, it's a truly fantastic service. So thank you so much for for handling and scheduling the call. So just so we know, you will text or email or call me to confirm the appointment.
Right. We'll send a text and an email. Just verify your text number that we have. We have 6. Is that right?
That's fine. Yeah, that's okay actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll send that text message over and also email you as well.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Was there anything else I can help you today, Mr. Brown?
That's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you for calling. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.
So that was Showing Time, a 24/7 call center. As you can see, these are native English speakers. The quality is very high. The calls are taken in the United States 24/7. Additionally, this call center will help coordinate and confirm showings as well with any licensed individual, including agents, appraisers, inspectors, etc. Next, let's see what it's like for a direct buyer to inquire on one of Hauseit's exclusive listings. They would either see this or this.
Thank you for calling Hauseit. If you are an agent inquiring on a listing, please press 1. If you are a buyer inquiring on a listing, please press 2.
for calling Hauseit. How can I help you?
Hi, I was hoping to see a listing, 221 West 77th Street, number 17. Can we make an appointment?
Yes, sir, but I need to send a message over. At the moment, the person in charge is not available. What is your name?
Sure, it's Chris Jose.
Thank you very much. And what is the best phone number to reach you back, Chris?
It's actually this number. Do you have it?
Yes, a 917.
That's perfect.
Thank you very much. Okay, let me send the message over right away, and we'll call you back to assist you and provide the list and as soon as possible, okay?
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Great. Thank you very much for calling, Chris. I hope you have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So there you have it. That was our call center dedicated to everything else, including direct buyer inquiries, sales, and any other inquiries. So there you have it. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit like or subscribe. We do come out with content on a regular basis. Again, my name is Chris at Hauseit, and we'll see you on the next one.